When it comes to minor blues, the most blues guitarists try to play regular minor chords and even cowboy chords. And sometimes it doesn't work. And what's wrong about it? It sounds pretty dramatic. And if you wanna sound more bluesy, riffs are gonna help you. And today I'm gonna show you one of these classic minor blues riffs. You can use it when you play songs like Thrills Gone. And finally, let's listen to it. At first I'm gonna show you what we are gonna play through the first 4 bars. And this is gonna be the main riff. So our blues is played in key of G minor. And here is regular G minor chord shape. And we need this note and these 2 notes too. So we're gonna play our bass note on the fret 3 on the low E with our thumb, like this. And the next part is these 2 notes on the fret 3 of the G and the B. And here you should hit your all strings, because you mute your high E with your index finger, you mute your D string with tip of the index finger too, and you mute your E and A strings with your thumb. So you play. And don't force when you play this bass note. It should sound like, you know, if you play on bass guitar. And here, relax your 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb on your right hand, and just throw your wrist like this. And one more thing, your bass notes should ring till the moment you play these 2 notes. And when you play these 2 notes, relax your thumb here. Then you play this note again. And what we play here, we play fret 5 on the G and on the B again. And play it with pause, like this. Don't play it like this. It sounds not so nice. And then we play bass note again and our first shape. And then relax your fingers here and just touch your strings. Don't press them. Here you should play 2 dead notes. Down, up, down, up. Da-da. And I recommend you play dead notes here on the high strings. Don't play it through those strings. It sounds, you know, heavier. So this bass line is based on G minor pentatonic scale in first position. And here we're gonna play these notes. And pay your attention that you should accent these 2 notes. So it sounds not like this. And one more thing, you should play through all strings. You know, you shouldn't hit the single strings like this, because it starts to sound not, you know, professional. And then play play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is the main riff. And you play the main riff 2 times, 4 bars. It's regular 12-bar blues. And then we are gonna play the chord is based on the 4th degree. And this shape looks like this. It's C minor 7 chord. So what we are gonna play here? We are gonna play so we separate our chord in 2 parts. The first part is bass note, and the second part is high strings. And I play bass note it first, and then I play high strings shortly. I play for the chord, and then I relax my fingers on the left hand. It should sound like this. Then, and I know it's not so easy here, but I believe you're gonna practice a lot and you will figure it out. So, and we play these notes, just we play it on the D and the G strings. But we should mute other strings like in previous case. Then we're back to main riff. And after that we play this E flat chord in this shape, and you play bass chord, dead note, and then we play that note again, and we play D chord, 2 dead notes again. Two dead notes, and then it sounds like this turnaround stuff in Thrills Gone, and we play it F, F sharp, G5. So we are going to G chord chromatically, and it sounds like this. And these chords is our first bass we play in our riff. It sounds like, and then we play just regular single note bass note. So let's play it from beginning, and after you will learn the whole blues, we can play together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is another blues you can learn. I highly recommend to check it out, and goodbye, thank you for watching.